Alright, here we go. Test flight number 4. Bigger battery on this here scrap build. You reading the magazine? Uh-oh. What's he doing, Tristan?
Alright, here we go. Get him a few more Cheerios. Just to keep him pacified. Here we go. Alright. Let's try this one out. A little bit heavier battery. I might overhand launch this one. Yeah, here we go. Bugs are flying in my eyes. Alright, a little bit heavier battery. And it's still doing good. Canard's really helping this. So as long as you don't do nothing, you know, crazy aerobatics, it flies good. Oh! My canard just broke and it crashed. That's what happens when I lost my canard. See, the canards are really good. Oh no. Anyways, it was flying good. And the heavier battery, look at that. It tore the, what happened? The canard came off. It will fly again though. That was a good test today. And not much damage, just this servo popped out. And straighten it out with this. There it is. It'll fly right now. Alright, well, let me go get some glue. Maybe I'll do one more flight. Test flight number, what was that? 5, I think I said. Alright, there it is.